who has been blessed constantly in and out to an extent where we, the family, live in Gurudev, we sleep in Gurudev, we eat in Gurudev, we walk in Gurudev. No matter how hard you try to take Gurudev away from your mind, you just can't take his face away from you. And that's the shadow which with that shadow he protects you days in and days out. I'll share one example of my life which is more than enough for you to understand his power and his blessings to what extent he can go. I go back to April 30th, 2011, when my wife was facing her 8th level of death. We were aboard in the plane, 35,000 feet above Brazil, where she got up to use the bathroom and she collapsed. वो बाथरूम जा रही थी, जाते जाते ही बेहोश होके प्लेन में गिर पड़ी। उस वक्त मैं आराम से नींद में सो रहा था और ये इंतजार कर रहा था जो कि अब आगे होने वाला है। Immediately एयर होस्टेस ने उसको संभाला and by that time I was awakened by the passenger sitting to me about the emergency. I saw her lying on the floor. Her body was connected with ECG. A doctor was called on the board who was trying to revive her by pushing her chest. Oxygen mask was on her face, and I was basically waiting to see my future without her if necessary. आप सब सोच सकते हैं, it was very terrifying situation, very scary, but I had full faith in my Guru. I knew whatever has happened for a cause, and I was praying Gurudev, give me the courage and strength so that if I need to take her dead body home, I will be able to do that. The plane was going to land for emergency medical services, medical help. As the plane was landing, there was a thunderstorm and the plane couldn't land. The pilot came running to me and said, Mr. Podar, they are sorry, it's not safe to land, and only other place they can land is 90 minutes away. It was very scary. I said to myself, 90 minutes, my God, what will happen? But my faith was strong, and I knew that if it had to happen, will happen. I don't think I have any option. And I was constantly chanting Gurudev to give me the courage again and again so that whatever happens, I'll be able to live with it. As the plane ascending, her eyes flickered open, and that was the first sign of her life coming back after this episode. By the time the plane landed, we were rushed to the hospital. Another 40 minutes, we reached hospital. She was almost normal. The doctor checked her up. We were released with a certificate saying that, look, she is perfectly fine, there is nothing wrong with her. Well, at that point, we decided just to take the flight back and come home to Toronto. We went to the hospital, she was checked again thoroughly, not even a trace. After a week, Gurudev's program was organized in Belgium. I was there at Brussels airport to receive Gurudev, and I showed my gratitude. मैंने गुरुदेव को प्रणाम किया और बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद दिया कि गुरुदेव, हम कृतज्ञ हैं कि आपने तरुणा की जान बचाई. You know what was his message? गुरुदेव ने कहा, पोदार जी आप तो प्लेन में सो रहे थे. This alone was good enough for me to show his omnipresence. Then he kept on talking about, by the way, this trip which we were taking to Brazil, I wasn't keen, but it was my wife who pushed me to take this trip, despite the fact that she hates traveling long hours for short time period. Then Gurudev tells me more. Podarji, he calls my wife as Bai. कि बाई का इस ट्रिप में जाने का, सॉरी आपका इस ट्रिप में जाने का प्रोग्राम नहीं था, बाई ने बोला इसलिए आप गए. बाई के दिमाग में वो बात गुरुदेव ने खुद ने डाली थी. And I said, Gurudev, why we have to go through all that chore? If that had to happen, could have happened in Toronto alone. Then he explained further कि पोदार जी, आदमी की 10 तरह की मृत्यु होती है. पहली 3 मृत्यु आदमी अपने आप को बचा लेता है अगर वो प्रॉपर एक्सरसाइज करता है और प्रॉपर बैलेंस्ड मील लेता है. आगे की 3 डेथ आदमी बचाता है, उसको टाइम पर मेडिकल हेल्प मिल जाती है. आपका एक्सीडेंट हुआ, आप हॉस्पिटल पहुंच गए, आपके हार्ट अटैक आया, डॉक्टर था, ऑपरेशन हो गया, आप सही टाइम पर बच गए. उसके बाद आगे की 3 डेथ हैं वो खाली सिद्ध पुरुष ही बचा सकता है. और जो आखिरी 10वीं डेथ है वो नेचुरल है. अपन सब मॉर्टल है, एक दिन अपन सबको जाना है. दैट्स अ नेचुरल डेथ, नोबडी कैन स्टॉप इट. सो he explains me that this was her 8th level of death. What does it mean? He mentioned for 8th level of death, for any Siddha Purush to use his spiritual power, it's important that the body of that person is above ground. That was the reason Gurudev planted a seed in my wife's mind so that we are in the plane. Look at his omnipresence, how to what extent he goes to save you, to protect you, to guide you. He explains further that we were planning to land the plane, but we couldn't land. I said, my God, how would you know that? That was a trivial thing which I forgot about it, but he mentioned the thunderstorm was created by him. It wasn't there before. And the reason he created was he didn't want plane to land, because if the plane lands, he's again back on the ground. As the plane was going up, he came in the plane, he revived her. Now, this is a miracle. भगवान का बहुत बड़ा प्रसाद हमारे लिए. लेकिन गुरुदेव ये सब काम दिन रात 24 घंटे अपने भक्तों की सेवा में करते रहते हैं. तो